Today we're fixing something simple but super important for comfort and noise reduction.
Yep, we're installing a proper door seal on our Volvo 140's driver door. The factory only has the thin rubber that goes along the door edge, not the frame.
And a while ago I glued some foam to the door frame.
But that didn't last long. Sunlight, it fell apart.
We're going to take off the old foam seal, grainy color. And while ago I glued some foam into the door frame.
Yeah, it fell apart.
Now we can remove the seal, Patrick, from the doorway. Yes, it's a really dusty thing. Hey, look, we can throw it away.
I removed this old seal.
This new seal installed by pressure, not by glue. This is just a seal which you want to install to the door frame. First, we start from a pillar. Okay, just push in this edge. Our rubber fits by pressure, not by glue, like you remember what was done. Just foam, it faded away, fell apart. But this from another car, this seal, which I bought. Hey, look, this can be used for a lot of cars. This part can be suitable. Is it difficult to install this thing? Patrick, can you answer?
Not really.
It's not difficult.
Not.
Maybe it's pleasurable.
Mm-hmm. Of course.
Of course. But we want to have really great results. We will riding without noise and dust and maybe penetration of water. It will be our water. We have enough water which gets into the car through sunroof. At the edges, at the angles, at the corners, we should be. It's not so easy as we expected. Hold the microphone. It's all okay. So we can gladly continue our process of installation this door seal. Hey, look, more than enough. We should cut this door seal, but where we can use it, maybe will be better to use for all frame without this plastic wrap. Do you know for what this plastic wrap? In previous models, here was aluminum. Yes, here was aluminum. But now they decided to use piece of plastic, of course. So now we continue, and hey, look, so long seal we have. This from another car, but we can use this for our Volvo. Okay, here should be trim inside, plastic trim.
There's a broken plastic inside.
Broken plastic inside, because this is crappy plastic. Since 1971, of course, they producing a lot of crap, which they use in car industries. So this we can install all the way of our doorway, and will be better without noise. Patrick, continue to do this thing. Be cautious here. Oh, hey, look, it's so great. It looks great, I think. Oops. Oh, I'm really curious. Will door is closed as before? Patrick, let's try to close the door. with this seal. It will be it, so you can stay inside. Wow! Great result. Patrika, can you open the door? Okay, that's great. Great result. So we highly recommend you to install the same thing to your 140 series, 240 series, because there is only this seal on the edge of the door. This is not enough, especially when it broken. Here, I installed from 240 series this seal, but it is suitable for 140 series, all models, even from 60s, from 70s, and this additional seal, really great. I'm not expected that door will close. So great, and it sounds great. It's okay. So if you think this is helpful, you can write, comment what you think, how to improve your old car.
Pesky. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. Thanks for your support. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell, so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.